Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make brownies quick. First, let's get organized. Having all your ingredients and tools ready makes the process much smoother. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius and line a 9 by 13-inch baking pan with parchment paper. This preparation ensures a quick and easy cleanup later. Now let's mix our delicious batter. Start by melting 1/2 cup of butter, then combine it with 1 cup of sugar in a large bowl. Whisk these together until well blended. Next, incorporate 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, mixing until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Finally, gently fold in 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour and 1/3 cup of cocoa powder until just combined. It's time to bake. Carefully pour your brownie batter into the prepared 9 by 13-inch pan, spreading it evenly with a spatula. Place the pan into your preheated oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know they are done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Let them cool completely for the best texture. Once your brownies are completely cool, it's time for the best part, enjoying them. Cut them into neat 2-inch squares. You can serve them plain or elevate them with a dusting of powdered sugar, a drizzle of chocolate sauce, or even a scoop of vanilla ice cream. They're perfect for any occasion. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.